Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back with reacting to the group Monsta-X. So this is a music video to their song Gambler. It said May the 25th 2021, so I'm pretty sure this is a new song from a new album. The last album, as I said before, that I listened to was Fatal Love, so they probably have like 2-3 albums after that, who knows. But let's see, because I know they're gonna be giving me live. They're gonna be giving me live. So sad one is no longer part of this group. Ooh.
If you don't know,
now you know, nigga.
Oh yeah, I like that. What you want? Secret. Don't you really wanna feel alive? 아침까지 flip that. 나 간지러운 불장난. I want something deeper.
I'm getting like Michael Jackson inspired. Give me a dance break, give me a dance break, give me a dance break.
It's black, my suit is fresh. Open my pack, let me show how I bang. They don't know what you do. 손에 잡은 채 난 poker face. I'm a handsome someone.
Money.
I've got a basketball Martin. 주머니에 흘러 넘쳐나는 C. No RD. 내려로 언제나 깔끔하게 바뀌는 나의 V. 나의 센스하신 날 따라오는 수식어. 오타만 시즌 맞은 허. 맥시멈 불을 일단 못해 떨어지네 뚝뚝. Heart S.
It's beautiful. So move his shoulders. Hey, 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 man. It's fresh. Let me show how I They don't know what you do. Oh, that was it. I did not see that transition. Do 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 do.
Hold up.
She's gone, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone, she's gone. Okay. Hey, baby, ow! Yeah, bang, bang, bang.
You don't know how to take me yet, 'cause love is a gamble.
Love is a gamble.
If you don't know,
We know, nigga. Okay, this was a cute music video. I like this. It was very cute. I love aesthetically pleasing as usual. These guys are very hot. It looks so good. The wardrobe is amazing. That looks so good. Vocally talented, dancing on point, rapping on point. There's nothing I could really say bad to the group Monsta-X. I wish people get into them more. You know, just like how people get into BTS. You know, this is a very good, talented group as well. and I want to see them up there too in number 1 spot. So this is a very nice video. I like it. I love monsta-x. Can't wait to see them live. I don't understand everything they're saying fully, but I just can't. I know I'll get a good show watching them live, so I can't wait to see them. As always, I just want to say to you guys, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys.